If you want to reset or clean a drive already used with Windows, I will show you how to do it. There are actually two ways to accomplish this. Run PowerShell as administrator. Now type getDisk to list the drives installed in the system. The output contains the friendly name, which can ease drive identification. As you can see, all drives are partitioned as GPT. Here I want to reset the drive number 4, and in order to do it, I type clear disk minus number 4 minus remove data and press enter. On the confirmation dialog, I press yes to erase all data. If I type once more get disk, we see that drive number 4 is now in raw state, meaning it has been reset. Run command prompt as administrator and type diskpart. Next, type list disk to list the drives installed in the system. All drives are partitioned as GPT. In order to reset the drive number 4, I must select it first. So I will type select disk 4. Type list disk again to confirm the drive is selected. If I type list part, I will see the partitions available on the drive. To reset the selected drive, type clean and press enter. After completion, list part will show no partition, while list disk will show disk 4 as not being GPT, meaning it is in raw state, hence reset.